feudal hosto to set up your store. To get started setting up your store on your own domain using our platform, visit our website, www.gearlaunch.com/platform and click on Join US today. Click on the Login button. Use your Gmail address and password to log in. Fill out the GearLaunch seller registration form. And then click Submit. Accept the GearLaunch seller agreement. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Add your domain registrar and your domain, then click the Submit button. It usually takes less than 24 hours. To receive approval for your store, you'll be notified by email once it's approved. After your store gets approved, you can log into your GearLaunch account. In your dashboard, click on the green bar that says, "This GearLaunch site is not launched yet." Click here to see your DNS settings page. Next, click on the Check DNS Records button. Copy the values from here to update your domain registrar. With these DNS records and values, go to your domain registrar website and log into your account. Update your DNS records with the information you got from your GearLaunch dashboard. The next step after you are logged into your registrar is click in the Manage Orders option in the blue bar of the website. In this section, you will see the configurations of your domain for the DNS records and the email forwarding. For the DNS records, you should click in the DNS Management option and proceed to add the indicated records in the GearLaunch website. For the email forwarding, you should scroll until you see the email option. Click in Manage Email option. In the next window, you need to click in the second tab Mail and press the option Add Forward Only account to set up email forwarding from support@yourdomain.com to support@customtsales.z. Once you have updated your DNS records on your domain registrar, go back to your GearLaunch dashboard and click the Verify DNS Records button. When all the DNS records are verified, please wait for 24 hours for SSL generation and our confirmation email. Then your store will be live and you will be ready to start selling.